Welcome to Butter Pickin Good, delicious dishes from my kitchen to yours. On this channel, you're going to cook with me, host Christina Lovelace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
All right, we're doing some meat pasta sauce. This is fast. It's because I don't feel like cooking. So this is what I do when I don't feel like cooking. All right. We're gonna chop up this onion. So let's grind the onion. All right, in the pot. Where's my spatula? I'm gonna take like, two handfuls of baby carrots. How do I get this thing off? Hold on, guys. I'm doing something wrong. What the hell? How do I get this shit off? All right, this is my new. Oh. Okay, this chopper right here, this Cuisinart chopper. I just got this chopper. Note to self, the chopper will not come off the bottom unless you take off the top first. That's crazy, Cuisinart. Why'd you do that? And last, we got some celery. I just cut off the ugly bottom, and I take off the top of the leaf, and I just chop this up, and I just throw this in. And you know what? I feel like I need another. I did 3 stalks of celery. Now we put that in the pot. That's what it should look like in the pot, okay? Now I need to bring this over to the stove. What is the concern?
Oh, it can be better. So it kind of starts a big argument.
Where is Anthony?
Oh, he's up there. He's like, bush.
Who is in the argument?
Go
Okay.
out of hand.
I don't have time for this. I gotta cook dinner. Is anybody dead?
Me,
Is anybody? Put some oil. About 2 tablespoons. And I like to also put some butter. It's like 2 tablespoons of butter. And then we saute it. Okay, when it starts looking like this, it's time to put in our meat. I get this lean turkey sausage, a sweet Italian. Cut the casing. Dump it in. That's it. Now break it up. Let this cook till it starts to get slightly brown. Okay, now it starts looking like this, a little bit more brown. You see the burnt edges. We're gonna take some tomato paste and we're gonna put it in. And let's mix it in there. Oh yeah, look at that. It's getting nice. All right, I'm just gonna deglaze the bottom of my pan a little bit. So I have one of my favorite wines, these. I'm just gonna pour some. That's like a half a cup. I'm just gonna kind of scrub the bottom of my pan. It just gets up all that crust that really gives the sauce a ton of flavor. All right, let's let that cook for a little bit, like a couple minutes. And now I'm gonna put some water in. You could deglaze the bottom with water if you are not an alcohol lover in cooking, but first of all, it gives me a reason to open a bottle. And second of all, it has a good flavor, so just do it. But you could use water if you want. So, this is 4 cups of water. And then I'm going to do a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. I'm just gonna pour it right in. I'm going to do another half a cup of wine, because why not? It's so good. Oh my gosh, I forgot garlic. I should have put that in before, but we can do it now. It's never too late for some garlic. All right, I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then 1 teaspoon of Larry's seasoning salt. 1 teaspoon of this Creole seasoning. That's delicious. And now I'm gonna just take some Parmesan. That's like a tablespoon. So we're gonna let this simmer for like 20 minutes just to mesh all those good flavors together. In the meantime, boil some water, okay? Take some salt, put it in the water, and let this come to a boil for your pasta noodles. Why were you fighting?
I didn't hit anybody.
Now I'm gonna have to call his mother. Why are you fighting this little
I
why?
didn't hit anybody.
Y'all make extra work for me all the time. I don't understand why everybody makes extra work for me. Okay, let's see what our pasta sauce is looking like. Okay, now you want to take your spaghetti. I have thin spaghetti. And you want to put it in your salted boiling water. I take the entire 2-pound pack because my kids are greedy. Okay, so here we go. I think we're about done. Perfect. So we're gonna drain this and get ready to serve. There we go. There's your pasta.
And your dish is complete. Enjoy!